Hey, this is Hannah with Friends Around Here, protecting families and protecting pack, and I'm gonna do a Bitmex update from last night's dump. So, what have I learned? So, I kind of knew that there was a dump, but I didn't think about how far and how much can we take. So, as I laddered my shorts, my longs here, hung in there, but the second one basically stopped liquidated me. So I got wrecked. What I did was I went to bed around this time, and I was like, woke up around here, and then I was just taking care of the kids. Didn't look at it. By the time I looked at it, it was already done and over with. So, what could I've learned and done differently was to ask myself if I, anticipated this. What can I do differently before I go to bed if it didn't go in the right direction that I thought it would be? Okay, so I anticipated to go up, but it did not. It dumped again, and that's what took it out. Okay, so I think after this, uh, based on these hairs, I don't know. I don't know right now. So I kind of just laddered them. If it's gonna go up, I'll take it. If it goes down, I'll take it down here. So I kind of put it pretty spaced out between the two. So we just kind of let this side for now. I have guests over, and I'm not really thinking straight right now. So the money that I did move out to my wallet, I was able to move it back in, and I think that was very important to do that. Also keeping a kind of like a mental note of the amount that we're trading. Okay, so I did trade most of it, and actually I probably did not. I think I did a when I was here. I bought down, and I think I could have sold in profit right around here a little bit. Okay, but as it came in, I kind of slept around here. So I think there would have been a chance I would have been able to get out and then maybe shorted it later. But also thinking here, knowing that was going to come down, why didn't I take the short up here to, take advantage of all this, right? Why catch this stuff? It's kind of risky. So thinking about it now, when I see a lot of these long ones, then enter that short over here, write it down, and write it down. Okay, stop trying to fight it. And I think when I ladder, I would probably ladder my. I kind of don't like the laddering of my of coming in. I like to be blipped in a sense, but if it happens to go farther than what I anticipated, then the losses do mount. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna continue with this for now. Let's see where this goes, and then I'll probably go back and kind of look at some of these notes and see what I've recognized, if I've seen anything different. A lot of these long lines really, just pulled it down. So you can kind of see there's a lot more of these hairs pulling it down, and so it does come down. So it looks like things are recovering now and starting to come back up. So I'll probably most likely take this long and see how far I can ride it back up, which is what I anticipated right over here. Alright, so let's look at the chart here. Alright, so there's a bottom of 3100, 3200 ish around there, and it's probably gonna, and then there's a ceiling of that 4100. So we'll see how far it goes. It might give a little blip and then continue to come down and touch around here, and depending on if it breaks up or down, then we'll have to decide from there. Okay, so above these lines I'll probably do my stop markets to see if it breaks out or not, and if it does, we'll take advantage of that. Alright, so that's all I have for today. Thanks, and talk to you then.